Hi everyone. Another week of instruction, which is really gearing up. I've been really excited talking to Mr. Gersh in particular because he really just grapples with a little bit of failure or a lot of failure.
Oh, my kids are experiencing it right now. Right now.
And the other biggest piece too is the idea of learning from folks that are not just your teachers, but professionals all across the world. And did you want to talk a little bit about the master classes?
Sure. So what we're doing in video game design is I've been playing master classes by Will, and I forget his last name right now. You'll have to forgive me. But he designed The Sims, and he designed a couple other games, and we're kind of going through lessons that he's recorded on masterclass. And we're going through about a lesson per period. I think I overwhelmed the kids with 3 lessons in the first period, but nonetheless, and these are just high-level college exposure, really, frankly. And one of the main lessons I learned from like one of the first videos was that design is constraint. So Will mentioned that, and so anything we do, we can kind of do whatever we want, is the point. But we're really constrained. What does the client want? You know, if we're designing a movie poster over there, we need to know what kind of text is going on there. What kind of image does the client want? If we're making a video game, we need to know, well, everything about story for one, and we're constrained by the machines, right? The hardware will only render certain things in real time. So we can't make it too complicated for the machine to render. So everything is constrained when you design. Otherwise, we could do anything we wanted, really, truly. As long as we can imagine it, we could do it. But we have these constraints. If we're making a movie, it has to be a certain size and a certain length. And you know, it has to get done in a certain amount of time, so budgetary constraints. So that was a real great lesson to teach my students too.
Yay.
And yeah, so it's been great.
Yeah.
So
Thanks you guys.
I don't know if my guys want to say hi, if they're still awake. You guys want to say hi?
Give us a wave.
Hello.
Wave.
Hello.
There they are.
Hi. Hi.
So yeah, we're learning about how to create video games without touching a line of code. We're trying to do that.
Thank you, Mr. Gersh.
My pleasure. Thanks, you guys.